So just to give you a glimpse of how AppSheet works, here's the AppSheet icon. I'm going to open it, and it opens with the app gallery. All the apps that you've created as of now would be visible in this gallery. So daily activity report is the app that I created for keeping a track of all the activities that take place in the manufacturing line. So I'm going to click on the app. Now, because I've still kept the app in the test mode and not deployed it yet, this gives a delay for me to know that it's still in the test mode. So once I deploy, this will not be visible anymore, and it will directly take us to the records. So the opening site of this app is all the records that have been entered as of now. Now if I want to add a new record of an activity, all I have to do is click on the plus sign, and here's the form, starting with the technician name. So because this ID is mine and I have logged in, so the name is not editable. It directly enters my name into it, and that cannot be changed by the operator, which is very useful to keep a record of record of who's entered the data into the system. And then to enter the operation here, I have multiple selections. So for this example, I'm going to say that I did an assembly operation, selected assembly, done. Now here's one of the best features of this system is I can directly access barcode scanners through the camera on this phone. So instead of entering the data here, I'm going to click on the barcode scanner, and here it is. So it was very quick because the barcode was right in front of it. So I'm going to show you once more. So go down and up, that's it. So it directly scanned the barcode into the system, so I didn't really have to enter anything. Now the date is a date menu, so I can select whatever date I've performed the operation on. At any point you can even select a default date. It's done. Start time, end time, pretty similar to the date menu. You can select what time I started it and what time I finished it. Yep, that's it. Quantity processed, so let's say 20. Quantity rejected is a required entry, so I did not reject anything, so 0. Reasons for rejection is not mandatory because that's the nature of the app, but then that can be made mandatory too. So all the ones which are mandatory are filled in, and I'm gonna save this, and here it is, add it to the records, the last activity I performed, which is assembly, production order number, part number, date, time, quantity processed, and quantity rejected. And that's how the app works.